Hi, this is Candy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Screencastify videos. So first, I'm going to just record one quick little video. So I'm going to hit record. And here's my lesson, and a little bit more of my lesson, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. And I'm going to stop my recording. So the most basic edit that you can do is actually trimming your video, and you can do that right here on this screen. I'm just going to go sample lesson. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I usually will try to do this at the end where I have that button where I'm actually showing the recording. So I will go to where the end of that is because I've stopped talking and go ahead and hit save trim. And that's the most basic editing that you can do. So you can trim off the beginning and off at the end. But we do sometimes need a little bit more than. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit open editor. And you're going to have access to this because you'll have the unlimited version. This is just a basic version account. Your video should appear in here, but apparently mine has not. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of my recordings. So I'm going to grab, file extension. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my other account in editor. So grab this, I'm going to open editor in there. All right, so it's loading the recording. This was my account that has everything in it. So again, I could just trim the end of the video off. Let's say I want to split the video. I can add text to the video, so I could say, watch this part. And you can do obviously different colors. So I'm going to highlight different color behind. You can change the font. You can make it bigger if you want, center it, and so on. We can, if you're on the timeline, notice you get more options. You can do the cutting part of the video, or you can crop it. So let's say I want to crop it like right here in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cut, and notice it went into two different spots. If I wanted to crop that spot, I just hit that crop, and I can crop the clip. It's not like, I could draw a rectangle to crop. So let's say I didn't want all of my video. I can actually just come up here and draw a rectangle and then hit done. So I just hit part of the screen that I wanted to emphasize. If I want to say import a little bit more video into here, I can just hit this to add a clip. I can add a clip. I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to go to videos. And I don't know, let's say I want to add that video in there. I'm going to hit select. And of course, I picked a big one, so it's going to process longer. All right, we're going to try to hit a different one. Let's pick a shorter one. Let's see if I can just hit screen. These are much shorter. There we go. Let's try this one. Select. Processing. Hopefully it doesn't take quite as long. And it's going to take a couple of minutes to upload that video. And let's say I wanted to reorder it. I could take this one and put it at the end. So my video is now reordered. All right. And that is pretty much it. And then you can hit export, and you can export it to Google Drive, or you can save it, or it will save the way that it is.